Hear that sound? Gee. So loud. Crickets. I'll just walk this way. September 3. Oh man. Zooming away. Man, there seems to be no break from this rain. Oh, man. So it's been, shit, more than 4 days of daily rain. Since I don't want to do any drying of bicycles, I just walk. Then got a big surprise yesterday from Microsoft. I couldn't work the video editor anymore. They want me to use Clipchamp. Oh well. According to the advice, we no longer support video editor. And it was like an entrapment. No matter how much you click the video editor, the link is gone. Oh well. Amazing. Those boys looks like sacristans. Oh man, loud music at this time. It's a bit humid. I'm surprised. Or is it all of that pepper that I had this morning? Amazing. Boy, it's warm. Big difference between Clipchamp and the previous video editor. This has option to what's that word? Subscribe. Get more features. Jeez. And it's charged monthly. Crazy. So they're borrowing the idea from Canva. Unusual about this morning, it's brighter in the sense of more light. It's not as dark as the previous mornings. So weird. And yeah, you could see the clouds. There's more rain, and looks like it's gonna be strong rains. So we finally discovered where this road goes to. Interesting. And I just wanted to pass here again. Everything. And to check out the creek. That's what that sound is coming from. Nice. So the question is it possible let's take a look. Oh yeah, that's the only problem. That means I have to counterflow. See, it rains again. Counterflow. That's the problem. Church. So coming home is no problem. It's just going out. Okay, let's going this way. Almost got lost. Did I? Did I get lost? I have to get my orientation back. Oh yeah, that's the orientation. That's the problem. You constantly need to train your mind. Otherwise, you're going to forget. Especially as we get older. Even the younger ones needs a lot of training unless you're gifted to have good memory. Oh man. 1, 2, 3 floors. Even has a basement. Building could be. Okay. It's a government building. Government building. Those boys are into social media. Another place where I could buy bananas. Oh, where's that? I have to check that video I made yesterday. Yeah, I think I know where it is. Yep. There we go. Right there. I think this is what it is. Far away from the chaos of the main road. And one thing you won't find in these places anymore are houses on stilts. Oh man, this looks like a warehouse. Yep, have to close my umbrella. There it is. 3 large pieces for only $1.85. Marinated bangus, milkfish. I really should buy one of those. Raining again. There's some people converging here. Must be some sort of a... Ah, okay. What could they be? They're wearing some sort of a t-shirt. Oh, man, it's hard. Difficult to do video with an umbrella, but can you imagine 30 years ago with those large cameras? So Whoever came up with the this idea of an action cam. He just got existing technology and made it smaller. Amazing. Rain, rain, rain. Keep raining. Out of time. All these climbs. And that's the reason why there are a lot of posters of these officials, because of barangay elections. Climbs, and that's where we came from. Wow, his name is Elvis, one of the contestants. Man, or candidates, I must say. Contestants. New car. And the gates are not cheap, they're expensive. They even use ball bearing. Oh, getting windy too. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Just getting to this portion. Takes your breath away. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. Before they complain, they should take a look at the sidewalk. I'm trying to figure out what's the best way of holding this actually. Oh. I think that route adds 5 minutes to the total distance. Oh man, the wind is pulling my umbrella out of my hand. Can you hear that music? Oh man, that's coming from a house. I wouldn't like to be that neighbor. Jesus. Or Buddha. Oh no. Huh. Golly, I didn't close the camera. Jeez. Rain stopped again. So glad when it happens. Oh man. Can you hear that sound? The wind? Ay, so refreshing. Wow. I won't like to be at this time. It's in the sea. Oh man, that's gonna be really scary. Venue lounge. Oh, they have a lounge. Now that's interesting. That's, by the way, it's another church. This place is full of churches. Jeez. Let's see. Let's just count the Catholic Church. That's one, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I'm trying to recall all the different places I've seen a church. 8. Yeah, so far I think there are 8 Catholic churches. Ah yeah, 9. There's 9. 9 Catholic churches. I'm not including the main one at Commonwealth Avenue. So there will be around 8 or 9. That will be 9. There you go. Makes it 9. Yeah. 10. Actually 10, yeah. The problem is I haven't really been to the innermost parts. I'm just counting. I'm just trying to recall all the churches I've seen along the path I passed through. Oh, 2 more. That would be for those gyms that are convertible to become churches. That's 12 Catholic churches. That's maybe church and chapel. I can only be amazed with the size of the circuit of this action camp. You have a circuit for the video and you have a circuit for the audio. Amazing. Then you combine those two together. Into this nice small package, which you call an action cam. How amazing could that be? Wow. Now, different colors. So different colors means one house. So that's one color is the facade or the width of one house. That's a, she's 3 meters wide, I guess. 3 meters wide. 3 meters wide. Oh, I've been to that. There's a, there you go, a bird sound. That's where it's coming from. So that's the bird that makes that sound. It's a cockatiel. Linda Ludovica for Kagawad. That's a barangay. I'm not sure if Kagawad is barangay captain. Maricar Manguni. These very familiar political names. Then Abads, the Sedi Abad and the Jojo Abad. Yeah, so Kagawad is like the smaller councilman. Yep, the barangay captain is like the mayor. That's for the community. Interesting. Should I or shouldn't I? Ah, yeah, I forgot about the church here. And that makes it 13. And there's 13. There should be over 13 churches here. There's one church here. Well, actually, it's more of capilla or chapel. Yeah, exactly. There's one other one. In this one. Makes sense.
1, 2, 3.
There's a chapel inside. That's the one. So that's 14. Unbelievable. Okay. No, this is not the one. There's one. There's another one. This is a barangay home. Oh. Unbelievable. Dang. Huh. Well, it looks like unbelievable. Oh, that must be a cloud dream. I found it. This is the 13th church I was referring to. And this is where I saw that priest before. That guy's gonna pull the bell. Ring the bell. Come on. Ring the bell. Show how it's done. Come on, that's it. Bell, bell, bell. That's the church. So funny. Her last name is Buko. Buko. And congressman, or no, I think that was it. Not mistaken, it was a police. If his name is like Barilan, I think. I have to check the name out again. I just found it so so unique. Now back on the main road, and we're going to take the stairs. Make this walk a little bit more interesting. I'm holding the umbrella on my left hand. And another feature of this action camera is the stabilization. It's amazing. Those things don't exist 30 years ago. Imagine getting a stabilization on a camera as small as this. And how about my cell phone? The cell phone, the lens has a built-in stabilizer. Gyro, yeah, that's it. Gyro stabilizer for my lens. Doesn't get any easier. I have to go back, go down at this portion because there's a grandmother and child who are so slow on the opposite side. There they are. Road is becoming a bit more active now. We need to take the car out later. It's been 2 weeks since I last rode the bike. I should take the motorbike out too. Oh, it fell again. Glad I got my food for lunch. Look who is running. Obsessed. I'm done with this. Hello. Obsessed. I'm done. That's one thing you cannot do while running. Hold an umbrella and hold the camera. I can't believe that there are still some people who are not aware of those green stuff on the floor. That's obviously algae. And if you step on it, you be sure you got strong hits. Otherwise, you'll go to orthopedic hospital. Man, I've seen so many people slip on those. And there's only one type of shoes or sandals that really don't slip on those things. They're really effective. And I bought that in Sydney over 20 years ago. I use it for fishing, and they call it rock sandals. And those were the days when they were still made in Europe. I don't know if rock sandals are still available now, and where they are made. The one I really feel bad of losing is the jacket I use for rock fishing. I don't know where it went, but I'm sure somebody stole it. Really, and it was a well-made rain jacket. And it was not also made in China.